What's up, top option trader? In today's video, I wanted to talk quickly about the Autobot trading signal. So this is an automated trading robot that will help us to automate our trade, especially on any brokers of binary options. So in today's video, I wanted to try out and I wanted to run the bot onto the cloud computer, and I want to find out if we actually can make profit from the Autobot trading signal. So first of all, in order to have this bot, you needed to go to the website is autobotsignal.io, and then just go into sign up, and you just complete this sign up. Once you complete that sign up, and you will go into the member area. So in this member area dashboard, you can just scroll down, and then you can download the Autobot right here. So you can use this bot immediately, and they have offer a 7-day free trial, so you can try it on 7 days for free. There's no question asked or any credit card required. Just download and then start using the robot. It's pretty simple. Okay, so in this case, I am going to use the Autobot with OlympTrade. Okay, so now let me run this bot completely on the cloud server, because I don't want to run it on my computer, because I need my computer to work, and also I need my computer to close. I don't want to keep the bot running on my computer and have to keep my computer on all the time. So I will introduce to you the cloud server called Shells. So you just go into this website called Shells. Shells.com. So I leave the link down below, so you can just click the link down there and go to sign up if you wanted to run it on the cloud. Okay, but if you don't want to run it on the cloud, actually you can also run it on your computer, but you just have to keep your computer all the time. So that's what it is. So in this case, I just run it on the cloud. I go into my shelf, go on to view, click on that view. It will pop screen about your cloud computers, software right here. So this is the Windows 10 install onto my cloud software. And then I just go on to the website, and then go to the Autobot website, to make a sign up, and then go on to member dashboard area right here. Just go into download, and I need to download it for Windows because I installed Windows Cloud server into this cloud computer. Just go into Windows, so the download is finished, then just go into a folder. So actually this is my cloud computer, so this is not an actual computer. Okay, so just go into my cloud computer. I need to unzip this file because this is the zip file. You can't open directly from the zip file. You needed to unzip it. Just go into right click and extract all. Then everything's extract in a download. It's a folder called this one, and then just click on extract. Okay, wait for the process to be done. So yep, okay, when it's done, just go to this one. Okay, this folder of Autobot, and then go again to this Autobot folder. And for our software, you will see this one. It's called application. This one is the software that we needed to open. So just right click and open. So when we are open it for the first time, so it asks for the permission to open for the first time on our window. We go into more info, then just run anyway. So yeah, this is how you run the bot. There's no need to install it into your computer. You just literally open it from the folder. That's how it is for now. And then let's go to our OlympTrade right here, and then just when you go into OlympTrade, just click on get started. Here we go. So once you're in the get start, you have the login of your OlympTrade right here to the robot. So this is your login. You just type your login right here. Just put, this is my login to my log into my OlympTrade account. So just put my OlympTrade login account right here and then just click on login. Just one click and then wait for the login, because the process to log in, it will take around like 15 seconds to a minute sometimes. So just wait, don't do anything. Once it is successfully logged in, you will see that the accounts right here have the balance, and it is exactly the same amount into your real account. So let me go into my OlympTrade right there. As you can see right here in my OlympTrade account, on my demo account, we have 14,952. It is exactly the same as our Autobot balance right here. So it's meant that we have successfully logged in into our Autobot and are ready to automate the trade. So here we have two options. One, we have admin signal, and the other one we have private webhook. So in the admin signals, this is a recommendations balance around 100 to 1,000. This is a signal that's sent from the admin, that's sent from the creator of this software. Those they send some signal, and you just follow the trade from the signal that their server is sending to, and you can just see the signal. When the signal is coming, it was showing pair of currency, what it is a put or is a call. It would just tell us right here, and then what is the time that order and expire. And then the result also will say about if that signal is profitable or losses. So here you can see all this signal sending. One, I just click on accept that signal admin, and then just click on start, and then it will just wait for the signal, and then it will place a trade for me automatically. I don't have to do anything. So this is the easiest way and the simplest way that you don't have to do anything with any strategies or analytic on to the market. And for this private webhook right here, this is another option. You can choose between the admin signal or the private webhook. You can just choose here. So when you click on this private webhook, it will just asking for you to input some IP right here. This is called the private key. So you need to put some special key. It's just it belongs to you, and don't share that with anyone. So for me, I just put it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the prettiest, easiest number. And this private key, you needed to use it to connect, to connect to the trading views. Let me show you my trading views right here. So once you put the key 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you needed to set an alert onto your trading view right here. So this is the the strategy that I mostly use it in the trade. So I use the harmonic pattern, and also I use the TD sequence in order to see what points of reversal in the market, and if that is a continuing trend momentum or is it a reversal trend momentum. Then I just like for example, like see here, this is the following trend momentum. When I see this breakout, then it should be followed by momentum. It will just send me the alert, and once I got that alert will send to this private webhook, and this private webhook will trigger the alert and place the trade for me into OlympTrade. So that is how I automated with this private webhook. Let me show you very quick on how you can set up your private webhook right here. Let me do it as a very easiest way, and it's very simple way. So let me create a new chart layout right here. Just very simple. Maybe just support line or resistance line. Support line, resistance line is an amazing strategies that you can use in your trade as well. Okay, let me show you how to create support and resistance line. Okay, let me have a horizontal line right here. So I just want to put it right there. I see that the price going up around this area. It's around at 0.84, 0.64, and then falling back, and we see that the price trying to get into that same area right here, around this area. I can see that it's a very good resistance that the price may not able to climb above here. It will fall back. For example, I wanted to have this alert, just a very simple alert, not complicated one, and then I would just go click on this line and just go on to this alert. And in this alert, what I'm gonna do, I want to go into crossing right here. Crossing is mean even though it is crossing up or it is crossing down, the alert will send anyway. This is the condition of that alert, is that going to cross this line, and then it will send us an alert. And if you wanted to like change the condition, you want it to go to like cross up or cross down, that's up to you. If it is cross up and you wanted to send an alert, or it is cross down, you wanted to send a sell alert. So it's really up to you. So for me in this case, I wanted to sell. And when I wanted to sell, I wanted to have any condition. I wanted to cross, either it is up or either it is down, it will send me alert anyway. So here in the options, you can have like, only once, once per bar, once per minute, or once per bar close. Okay, let's talk about only one. Only one is mean that this, resistance line will bring us an alert, only one. After that, this resistance line will not be active anymore. It will close. So it will not, active. We can only use it for one alert, and then it will stop active. That's it. And this is one per bar close, like once per bar. So it means that it will just trigger only once time during this candle bars. When it's created, when this candle bar is finished and make another candle bars, it come to this line again, it will bring us an alert again. So that's what it's meant. And one per bar close, it's mean only one per bar. And after that bar is closed, and then it will send us alert. If the bar is not closed yet, so the trigger, the alert will not be sent. Yeah, that's it. And the other one is one per minute. So, as you can see, when it's get into there, in that minute, it will trigger alert. And the next minute, the same candle bar, still the same crossing line. It will send us another alert. So that's not recommended. So what I wanted to use right here, I wanted to use only one. I wanted to use this line, only one alert, send me alert, and then this line will not be active anymore and will not send me any other alert. So that's what I'm gonna do. I wanna use only one alert and then will not be active. And here, in the alert action, you just, enable this webhook URL right here. So, first of all, if you want to use this private webhook, you needed to have a TradingView account like I do here. I have my TradingView account, and you needed to have, the ability to enable this, webhook right here. Something that you needed to pay for a pro subscription onto TradingView in order to have this private hook, webhook, URL, so that you can automate the trade, from this TradingView platform. So let me copy this one, and I place it in the description below, and then you can just copy it and paste it onto your TradingView, and then you can get the alert. You needed to use this, this same address, as I do here. And then here in the message, and the message is really important right here. If without this message, so you're not gonna make any alert. So here in this message, we needed to start with this curly brace, and then you just enter down, and then with the double quote open, and then just put site, and then close that quote. We have column right here, and then we open another quote. So here, site is mean what signal, what site. Is it going to be a buy or is it going to be a sell? So I want this to be a sell signal. So then I'm gonna go onto put. You need to use the word put right here, and then close with the double quote, and then with comma right here. Okay. And then next line, we're gonna open double quotes again. So here I wanna go to symbol. Okay, symbol. Close with double quote. So in symbol, the same. We have this column, and we have double quote open. Symbol is mean what symbol of this currency. So we're trading on the Euro GBP. You can either put Euro GBP symbol right here, close it with the double quotes, and then with comma. You can use something like this, or you can just use this. If you don't know what signal they are going to use here. So what you're gonna do is you're just doing this double, curly braces with the word ticker, and then close it with, curly braces, double curly braces, and leave it like this. So this will bring us the symbol of whatever the currency that you are open. You don't have to write it again and again. You just put the ticker. The ticker will pull the signal, the symbol, whatever you are checking, whatever it is, Bitcoin, it is crypto, or it is, you know, stock, it will just pull that symbol for you, and you don't have to type it right here. So this is the safest way to pull a correct symbol and then to place a trade it for you. And the last line, you just go into double quote opens, and this last line is going to be key. Okay, key right here, closing with the double quote, column open, another, you know, double quote. And here the key, what's the key that I'm typing in my private key of my Autobot? So just go back to our Autobot a bit. So the key that I'm typing right here is 1 2 3 4 5. So okay, this is 1 2 3 4 5. So the key here must be, you know, exactly the same into your TradingView right here. So we're gonna put it into 1 2 3 4 5. That's the key that I put it here, and then close it with double quote. And this one, no comma. Okay, remember this one, no comma, and then you just hit on enter, close it with, you know, curly braces. So that's it for this alert. You need this 3 line in your messages, you know, in order to make it work onto your private webhook. And then I'm gonna put a name here. I'm gonna put here is a resistant line. So I'm gonna put it to a resistant line. So we're gonna sell it onto this specific currency. So let's check my line right here. So I want to change the line a little bit up right here. So it's not crossing yet. So when it's not crossing, then this will not be bringing alert right for us, right? So if you put this crossing right here, as you can see right now, the candle is already crossing. So when I just click create, then it will bring me alert immediately. Okay, so okay, let's try out to bring alert immediately, and let's go on to our Autobot and click start. Okay, so I'm ready to use the bot right now. We have money management right here. We have $10 of amount into our trade. We have the time here is 5 minutes, so I'm gonna put it into 1 minute. And martingale right here, so I put it into 2.5. If I losing the first trade, and then it will, you know, double my amount here with the 2.5, and then we'll follow up to the next trade, so that I will not losing any, you know, profit in that day. So if one signal losing, 2 signal winning back, so I will be winning back, you know, something like that. And then I will follow up for 6 steps, or I think since I use my own signals right here, I just put it to 4 steps. Profit filter, just check on profit filter right here. I wanted to trade only to the currency with 80% of profit in return, because sometime in OlympTrade it's really have, you know, low profit return right here. We have 22%, 30%, 30%. So this is pretty low. You know, if you you know, trading on this low profit return, even though you get the win back on your martingale, but you're still not able to recover, and even not able to make profit out of this, you know, 30%. So that's why I use profit filter. Profit filter help me, you know, when this, you know, profit return fluctuated up and down, and it will, you know, help to protect my account not to trade in any currency or any assets that have profit return less than 80%. You know, this is the way that you can do, and you can use it like that. Okay, let's go back to our Autobot. So before you start the bots, you need to see here if the bot is online or offline. Okay, so when you click on start the bot, so the bot should be turned to be online. If you see it's offline, so it means it's not working. If it is offline, you just switch the signal back and forth, and then back to private webhooks again, and wait for this to be green online. Yep, so it means it's working. Okay, so let me try to send up, you know, to set up an alert on my TradingView, and I'm gonna create it. So when I create it, this should bring alert right away because it's already crossed the line. Let me create. So when the price moving and crossing this line, it should bring me the alert. Okay, yep, we got alert already. Let me go right here, resistance line alert, and This alert is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with the key with this symbol of Euro GBP. Okay, let's go into my Olymp Trade right here. Like you can see right here, it's open trade already. It's a Euro GBP on downtrend. Just click on that. We can see that it's placed a sell right away, exactly where we draw our resistance line. So this is what you actually can do with your private webhook. Okay, let me going back to 1 minute. Okay, it seems like it's break and it's going up. Anyway, it's just an example. That's how you can use TradingView, to trigger the alert, right here, especially if you want to move your alert back here and you want to reuse it again. You just move this alert and you can see this clock is active right now, so it means it's reactive again. And when it crosses this one again, let me move it, and then it will bring us another alert too. Okay, here it goes. See, when this price going up and crossing this line, it will bring us another alert. So that's what it is, about our support and resistance line. Okay, let's go back to our Olymp Trade. We should have a sell signal again. Okay, sim not setting. We have profit filter limited. Yeah, see, like I said, before we have 80% of profit return. I think now we have another alert, but the alert is not sending, the trade is not placing because the profit filter. Let me check here. The profit filter now it's 30%. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Sometimes it is 80%, but sometimes it is less than 80%. So you should and you must use a profit filter in your Autobot right here, so that it will protect you, even those so that it will protect you from winning in small percent and you are not able to recover your losses when the percentage in return is too low. So that's what I'm talking about. Okay, so I think that's pretty it for now, and for me in this videos I will test it for you. But what I'm going to do, I wanted to do it with the admin signals. I'm not going to use the TradingView because TradingView, it's you needed to pay for extra fee on this webhook services onto TradingViews. And if you already have TradingView, it's perfectly fine. You can use it. But if you don't have it, the best way you can just try it out is you can try it with the admin signal right here. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then I wanted to try out if this really profitable onto this admin signal. So here in my real balance I have 2,700. okay, I'm gonna trade it with $10, and then I'm gonna place this into 5 minutes because admin signal is recommended to use 5 minutes time frames. I'm gonna put it into 80% of profit filter, 2.5, and I'm gonna put it into 4-step martingale. Just follow up only 4 times, and then I will stop follow up right there after 4. And then this, everything's okay, everything's good, and I will run this bot for today. So in the next couple hours, we'll find out how much money I am going to make with this admin signals and how much money I'm going to lose with this admin signals. So if it is a lot of losing, so I'm gonna lose my money 4-step, okay? And we'll find out together in a couple hours later. Okay, for now, I think I'm ready, and then just click on start. All right, for now, I think we have been running the bot for about 5 hours for now. So let me log in back to my cloud computer. Let me go to my cloud computers, click on views right here. Okay, so here we got, how many trades we got so far? We have 6 trades. Actually, we have only placing successfully trade only 5. And this one is profit filter limited, is this one. And in the beginning, we have 2007-13. So now we have $35 in profit. Let me go into my Olymp Trade. So here in our live account, real account. So in history, we go into close position. So yeah, actually we have only 5 successfully trade on to our history trade. We have 1 here, successfully here, and this one we lost 2 and we profit back, and then we profit another 1. So total of 5 trade in this 5 hours, which only we are using now is from this admin signal. So it means that, you know, the server sending the signal and then it will place a trade for us automatically, and you don't have to do anything with the trading view. Yeah, that's how it works. And for this one, if you are an experienced user, you know, with TradingView, and if you are using TradingView more often, and then this is very, you know, very best, you know, for you, because you can, you know, apply any strategy from your TradingView and then let that strategies, you know, or automate the trade for you. You know, then you can just check this private webhook right here. I think it will be best suited for you. That's what I think for now, and I think you can get this Autobot for free for a 7-day free trial. It's yeah, I think it's pretty good, and after that will be like $99 a month, and then you can contact, you know, the developer, you know, to pay for that monthly payment on this, you know, subscription, on this bot subscription. And I think the website also offer, let me go into their websites. Yeah, the website also offer, let me go into that member area. They also offer a 1-month free trial license automatically also. So the condition is that you needed to open an account right here using this specific link. Just, you know, just create an account here, and after that just submit it right here. Then they will give it for you like 1 month free trial, so you can have a free license for 1 month using this Autobot. Okay, I think that's pretty good deal. So if you wanted to use, to have a free license for a longer time, just try it, you know, 1 month here, but you need to create an account right here. And if you don't mind, you know, about this 7-day free trial, and after you use 7-day free trial, you see that it's profitable, you know, it's good, I think it is worth to investing. Anyway, you know, on to this. And also I also pay extra for the cloud computer services, which I don't have to turn on my computer all the time, so it costs around $30 a month as well. So like the one that you see here, so I pay for the subscription around $30 a month, yeah, to run this, you know, cloud computer, and then to open the robots and run the trade for me without me, you know, have to open my computer. So I think that's a wrap for now, and hope you have an amazing day. If you have any question, just leave the comment down below, and if you have any suggestion for the next topic or anything you wanted to know more about this robot, yeah, just let me know. And especially you can join our group as well, you know, top option trader group in Telegram. So the link down below, you can join, and, you know, can have any question, just let me know from there. And for now, bye bye.